Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to collaborate with influencers on TikTok. Now, I know you've seen these methods right here, and this is going to be the easy method to date. Okay? First thing you want to do right now is make sure you have going to be updated for your both software and going to be your applications. Let's start with the software. I'm going to go to settings right here, click on general, and look for software update. And by the way, if you're using your Android devices, it's perfectly the same even though I'm using my iOS. And as you can see right here, I have no pending software update. Next up, I'm gonna go to App Store right here and look for TikTok. I have updated my TikTok account and application since last week, and I think there's a new release for now. Okay then, so there is gonna be a pending update, but I'm gonna stay it as it is. But on your end, please update this one moving forward. Next up, open up TikTok right here, and then choose a creator. For example, I'm gonna use this one, alright? I'm just gonna post it up for now. I'm gonna click on the share icon, this one right here. And for this one, to collaborate with this specific creator, I'm just gonna swipe this right here and look for the one that says do it. This one right here. And then after clicking do it, moving forward, I can collaborate with this specific creator. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.